Hello, good morning. Good morning guys, no? Gusto ko lang i-introduce sa inyo yung Fredos to sa mga hindi pa namin customers, okay? So, we are offering lots of services na meron kaming PPF installation. Tint, we are also installing tint, no? Mga mega brands such as 3M, Diamond, and Phantom. We also do upholstery. We also do engine detailing, exterior and interior detailing, car wash, basic car wash, and premium car wash. So, yan. Meron din tayong mga available na accessories right now. So, since anniversary namin ngayon, no, we are offering lots of promos such as ito yung mga Bosch natin na loud horns like Nakamichi also yan, meron tayong on hand. Tapos meron din tayong mga dashcam, no, DVRs, camera 360, okay, and ito yung mga tint natin, okay. So as you can see, meron din tayong lounge for you guys, no, fully air conditioned yan, may stocks din, okay. Yan, Pasko na, Merry Christmas. And also, yan, meron din tayong mga GPS dito, ilaw, etc., no? Meron din tayong mga night breaker na na LEDs, no? And for our ceramic coating, no, as you can see, ginagamit lang natin yung mga best lang, may mga premium brands like Meguiar's, yan. Yung BN ceramic coating, the professional grade coating. We also use G-Tech, no, G-Technique. Kaya medyo sobrang ganda talaga ng natin ng quality, no. We also use Always Dry from Australia, okay. Yan. So meron din tayong tayo dito tint, no. We have 3M, doon, yan yung detailing area natin. We also have 3M, yan. Meron tayong Phantom, meron tayong Diamond Premium, okay? Yun, kung nakikita nyo, yun, bagong ceramic yan and bagong tint, no? Yun dun sa detailing laboratory natin. So, doon sa mga hindi pa nakakapag-try, you can visit us here in Gaya-Gaya, no? Business hours namin, from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. We also accept all major credit cards, tsaka mga e-wallets, no? Visit na sa Fredos. Maraming salamat. See you.